3 billion. That's the amount of people that got your data leaked, breached, infiltrated, scam, whatever y'all want to call it. There's been over 3 billion worth of information from people that was leaked, breached in an identity theft operation. Guys, identity theft will be a big issue. It will be a really, really big issue, and a lot of people are going to be affected. If you don't know how to legally delete stuff from your consumer reports using identity theft, guys, if you are legitimately, now listen to me, do not use this for identity theft scams, okay? Only use this if you are a victim of identity theft, okay? So what you're going to need to do is download the letter that's below. If you're a true victim of identity theft, this is the letter that you want to use. And then you want to also go to the FTC website. So let me go to the FTC website and show you guys how you do this. All right. So I will not be judged by any of you right now. Don't tell me to rain. You got 100 million browsers open. Mind your business, please. Thank you very much. So we're going to go to identitytheft.gov, identitytheft.gov. All right, maybe I spelled it wrong. Identitytheft.gov. Okay, there we go. I was like, what's going on here? So when you go here, ladies and gentlemen, go to get started. I want to report an identity theft, and then you can just follow the prompts from here. So guys, if you are not a victim of identity theft, do not use this method. This is for people that have been a victim of identity theft. So if you've been a victim of identity theft, the identity theft letter is below. You're going to use the identity theft letter below along with the affidavit you're going to get from identitytheft.gov. You're going to put that together and you're going to send it off to the consumer reporting agencies identifying the accounts that came from the alleged identity theft. All right. So that's how you get accounts deleted that came from identity theft legitimately if you are a victim of identity theft. All right. See you guys on the next video.